In the next 1 hour kama utashika simu yako more than 5 times, just know you're just a phone addict. Na most probably you can't focus with life sababu phone is always on your hand. Simu yako hakuna kitu kingine unafanya, you're just scrolling. Hakuna kitu ya maana unafanya on your phone, ni just to scroll kutoka Facebook, unaenda WhatsApp, unaenda TikTok, unaenda Instagram, na si pia maybe you're selling some product zenye unauza, you're just scrolling, seeing some reels, watch and you're just laughing. Just know your phone addict. Na you need to stop sababu most probably ndo ina cost your life. Hiyo ndo ina cost, ndo inafanya you can't have a conversation maybe with your friends, with your family. Sababu maybe mkikaa for 5 minutes unaanza kushika simu yako, na to be honest inakuwa boring sababu at some point you need to have good and serious conversation. Unaweka simu kando for 5 hours, you talk, you memorize, maybe you plan something, and that's the reason maybe you can't plan anything sababu your phone is always on you. So check on that. Sasa